Hey everyone, welcome back to Yes Foodies. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Yes Foodies and press the bell icon to get notified. Do check the description box for the previous videos links. So today I'm making very easy egg fingers. For this I've taken 3 eggs in a bowl. I'm adding just a pinch of salt and then 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can use chili flakes as well, and then some chopped coriander leaves, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and now I'm just going to mix it properly. Now taking a foil like so, this is a disposable foil. I have just applied some oil and now I'm just going to pour the egg mixture into it. Now in the next step I had already put some water to bubble for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to put one stand and I'm going to put the tin foil into it and I'm going to steam this for 10 minutes. The egg mixture I'm going to steam it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes this is how the egg is going to look. I'm just going to let it cool down for 5 minutes. This is how the egg is going to look after taking out from the foil and after cooling down totally. I'm just going to cut them into finger shapes, or if you want any other shape you can do that as well. Here are the egg fingers. Next I'm going to coat them. This is the maida slurry, which is the all-purpose flour taken a tablespoon, and I've added some water and made the slurry. And this is the homemade breadcrumbs. I will give the description link in the description box. And now I'm going to coat the egg fingers with the breadcrumbs. So for that, at first I'm going to dip the eggs into the maida slurry and then put them in the breadcrumbs and coat them evenly from all the sides. Just put the breadcrumbs over it and coat them evenly from all the sides. This is how it's going to look. And here are the egg fingers ready to fry. Now heating up 1.5 cup of oil in a pan. I have kept the flame medium to high. And now I'm going to fry the egg fingers. Make sure the oil is hot enough, otherwise it's going to soak up more oil. Now occasionally I'm going to stir them so that it gets fried evenly from all the sides. The whole process of frying is going to take 1 to 2 minutes hardly. And here are the egg fingers ready. Similarly, I'm going to fry the other egg fingers as well. Make sure they are golden brown and it's done. It is not mandatory to fry them for 1 to 2 minutes. If it is golden brown from all the sides, it is done. Look how beautiful they are looking. I'm just going to sprinkle some chaat masala on top and then garnish it with some coriander leaves, just for the decoration, you know. And here are the egg fingers. This is very easy to make. And here are my egg fingers. I'm just going to break one egg finger and show you. Look how beautiful this is. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.